Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to become Xero Certified. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The journey begins by visiting the Xero main page. This is your gateway to accessing a wealth of resources that Xero offers to its community. So open New tab and search for Xero Central. After that, open the first link from Xero Central. Once you're on the main page, the next step is to head over to the Learning section. Click on it to explore the various learning paths available, but our main focus today is on the Xero certification. This section is thoughtfully designed to cater to learners at different levels. Whether you're just starting or aiming to enhance your existing skills, there's something for everyone. Now it's time to enroll in the Xero certification program. This isn't just a formality, it's your entry into a comprehensive learning experience that combines theoretical knowledge with practical applications. The program covers essential topics such as navigating Xero, managing finances, and leveraging its features to streamline accounting processes. By the end of the certification, you'll be fully proficient in using Xero to enhance your accounting practices or business operations. In conclusion, becoming Xero certified is a straightforward and rewarding process. By visiting the Xero main page, clicking on the Learning section, enrolling in the certification, and participating in webinars and events, you're taking an important step toward mastering one of the best accounting tools available. And that's it. So that is how you can become Xero certified. So that's all for this video. Thanks.